Huh? You done cooking my chicken? Where is it? Where's my chicken? You going shopping? Yeah. Oh. You got the message. You're moving out? Yeah? You want to cook it instead, huh? Alright. Alright, bye-bye. Bye-bye. You done shopping? Uh-huh. What'd you buy? Huh? What'd you buy us? Oh, you gonna cook the chicken now? Smells good, huh? Smells good. Yeah? Oh. Is it done? You done cooking?
Well, it's about 11 o'clock and we're heading out. And nothing really special. Just going to the mall for a few things. And it is getting super hot in Vegas. So going to the mall gives us a little cool indoor workout with our girls. So let's go. 유미, 아빠 어디 있어? 자. 왜 이렇게 텅텅 비어 있지? 안녕. 안녕. 수희 안녕. 유리 안녕. Just the rest area. Just a little bit. 아저씨.
Yumi.
Okay. But she's like tomorrow.
Yeah?
Oh!
How many quarters do they take? I got coins. Find out how much. Which one? Spaceship? Where do you put the coin?
Right here. What do you put for it?
Yeah?
Hang on.
I'm driving a little ship.
Yeah?
I'm going in the water.
Where are you going?
I'm going in the water.
You go in the water. Yeah. Yumi, 안녕. Hi. Yumi, hi. Look at Yumi. Yumi looks so. Say it. No, she got scared. She doesn't like it. Take her out. 나와. 괜찮아. Okay.
Fish.
You see fish?
Yeah.
That's it. Yay. Okay, that was it. Okay, let's go on to the next adventure. Yeah. Yumi. Come on, let's go, Yumi. 가자. Oh my goodness. That was fun. Cute store, huh? Yumi, what is this? Jellyland? Oh, so pink. 아빠 어디 있어, 아빠? 유미 Find Appa. He's like, I can't walk anymore. My feet hurts. All right, time to go home. 우리 아빠 bab께서 딸내미들 데리고 놀이터에서 놀고 싶다고 하네요. 전 그저 차 안에서 쉬고 싶어서 이렇게. Who gave you that purse? Oh, you okay? Oh my goodness. Alright, we're actually going to Ikea today. We're going to get a high chair for Yumi, and I think it's a great high chair for its value. It is our third time buying it, and I didn't think I would end up with 3 kids, so I gave it away each time. I guess I'll keep this one just in case the 4th one comes along.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
She was going to fall. She was just going to fall like this. She was going to fall.
Do you hear that, Yudi? Your mom's like a little chihuahua.
Was just a bit nagging. Is this funny? Is this supposed to be funny? Yeah.
I wonder what they're building over there. You see that?
What is it?
Wow.
They're building another center?
I don't know. Yeah, what would they be building next to Ikea?
Another Ikea?
Another Ikea? Wow, they're building something big there, huh? Looks like another kind of warehouse. Maybe a Costco.
Yeah. Oh, that would be perfect. 유미, 나이나 했어? 나이나 하고 있었어? That's the chair. You need the leg. Here are the legs. $15. $5. $5 for the tray right here. The tray is right here. So yeah. So that's $10.
$10.
The legs are $5.
15.
Let me see. Yeah, are you sure we need it? I'm pretty sure that would fit right under, but it's okay. Yeah, let's do it. She might just watch
Just in
it.
case. Come on.
가자! 유미 chair 샀어. Wow, I didn't know they had a self-checkout.
They must have just opened these.
Huh? Stop, you stupid. $4.99 for the chair.
That's for the legs.
For the legs.
That's the chair.
So that's the seat. That's really cheap for $20.
Wow.
For everything. Come on, Rachel, where are you going? 가자. Alright guys, we just picked up our son from school and came to the Green Lakes Korean supermarket. And let's go. Did you go pee-pee?
No, he always be at home.
This way. Oh, are they done with the renovation? Go with Daddy. Yeah, get one. Ooh. No, you walk, Tejo, you're big. Yeah.
2 or 1?
2. Do you need more Thai chili?
Maybe these are hot.
Yeah. Yeah, you think so? They only have a green one, huh? 태준, what's 딸기? 어? 뽀로로가 좋아하는 딸기 우유. 어? 뭐라고? Strawberry. 딸기 strawberries. Oh, he knows. See? 이건 뭐 먹는 거야? 유미 뭐해요? 미야. 미야. 미역국. 유리 좋아하는 미역국 먹을 거야, 그지? 미역국 좋아해 좀?
미국.
미역국. 미역국 맛있어.
맛있어요. 누가 있어요, 베이비. 맛있어요.
아, 똑똑해 우리 딸. 순환이나. 태준 일로 와. 태준이 일로 와.
맛있어요.
뭐야? Hi. What are you doing, Taejun? See gloves? It should say mommy. What's that pink one now? No. I don't want a short one. I want a long one. 가자, 태준아. 이미. 아니야? 귀여워. 우리 딸 너무 귀여워졌는데 머리가 왜 이렇게 다 섰어? He wants something, 그지? Which way? You say hello. I found a parallel leaf seat.
Do you want?
Yeah, come on. You can grab it from there.
Chill out.
가자. What are you guys doing? 가자. Let's go. Dad, let's go home. Well, that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave us some comments. And see you next time. Bye.